Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I'm going to give you a series of the very important videos. I'm going to teach you to work with the basic patterns. I'm going to tell you about the basic pattern and show you a lot of useful techniques for working with it. The basic patterns have to fit us perfectly. There are the seams, the darts, and the tucks in them. You need to know how to work with them. What I want you to understand is that a basic pattern is not a pattern for any particular garment. You can sew a lot of different garments on its basis: dresses, shirts, blouses, coats, jackets, and so on. You can change your basic pattern for any design you like. I am going to teach you how to do it. Of course, it's easy to make a top on the basis of the basic pattern without changing it. It would fit you perfectly. The thing is that it would be boring. Being able to make a perfect basic pattern isn't enough. This is what I'm here for.
Конечно, нету. Иногда нужны лаконичные, хорошо сидящие платья, но что-то все равно нужно видоизменять. То, что мы умеем хорошо построить базовую основу, то, что мы отработали макеты, все это хорошо, но нужно двигаться дальше.
This is my basic pattern. It was made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. My course on the 10 measurement cutting system is available at the moment. Your basic pattern might be made on the basis of any other cutting system. The techniques are the same. I'm going to show you how to move the side seams, how to make the side details instead of the side seams, how to work with the necklines, what to do with the shoulder darts, how to move them, how to adjust the armholes, and so on. I've already showed you some of the ways for working with the basic patterns in my tutorials. Now that the course on the 10 measurement cutting system is finally out, I'm going to give you much more information about that. I wanted to be able to adjust your basic pattern to any designs which you like without any problems. I'm going to tell you about all the peculiarities of working with the basic patterns. There are two ways for working with the basic patterns. The first one involves moving the chest dart to the side here. By doing so, you are not changing the fit of the garment. Anyway, sometimes the adjusting process involves more complicated changes. Not all of the clothes we sew are close-fitting. Sometimes it's better to hide some parts of our bodies. We all know which parts of our body shouldn't be shown. I prefer to hide my belly, for example. My waist is also not as tight as I wish it was. Some people have perfect slim waists which should be shown to the world. You might want to make a top which is close-fitting at the waist and loose on the shoulders. Sometimes we make tight sleeves and sometimes wide ones. Sometimes when making huge beautiful shoulders of unusual shape, we even insert small pieces of tulle in them. What about the outer clothing? Jackets, for example? There are so many types of them: light, warm, jacquard, cotton, tweed. The techniques for sewing different types of jackets are also different. Now that my course on the 10 measurement cutting system is available, I will be teaching you to work with the basic patterns. I'm going to show you so many different useful techniques and details. These tutorials are going to be very useful. This is my basic pattern. Have a close look at it. Imagine you've never seen me before. What can you tell about my body by looking at my basic pattern? The back is not too wide. The front is wider than the back. These details can be different in your basic patterns. In some cases, the back can be bigger than the front.
более массивный передний.
The bust isn't small, but it's not too big either.
Чрезмерно большая грудь.
The arms are not too full.
Не сильно толстая рука.
The waist is not slim.
Конечно, никакой.
It's obvious because of the tucks opening.
Вот, пожалуйста, вы даже
You will be able to learn all these things about me just by looking at my basic pattern.
могли, ну, все прочитать.
I'm going to start with the very simple details. With each new tutorial, the details and the techniques will be getting more and more complicated.
Работать с простых, абсолютно простых вещей.
That's all that I wanted to tell you today. Next time, we'll start working with the basic patterns. First, we're going to talk about the necklines. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.